Motorsports Club Meghalaya, one of the oldest associations, yesterday informed that they will organize a 3-day off-road trophy which will be held on 20th to 22nd June 2024 at Kyrdemkulai, Ribhoi district. Speaking to the media, President of Motorsports Club Meghalaya, Eugene Nyangti, said that the association will hold this competition as part of celebrating the 20 years of existence of the association. He further said that the winner will receive a cash prize, trophy and certificate.
Actually, an off-road event where different kinds of 4x4 cars can participate. It's a 3-day event. Starting from the 20th, it's a night stage, then the second day followed the second day, and the third day, which will be concluded by the prize distribution. So we want to inform the media and the people who want to participate. They can come there and experience to watch, or you can participate to bring your vehicles and taste what is off-roading all about. It's kind of a monsoon challenge also at the same time, because we're purposely doing it on the rainy time. And of course, we're giving the trophy, the certificate and prize money for all the categories.